In the world of aerial predators, one creature stands out as a master of the hunt, the dragonfly. With its slender body and delicate wings, it may look fragile, but make no mistake, this is nature's apex aerial assassin. The dragonfly's weapon of choice? Its unparalleled agility. Capable of flying at speeds of up to 18 miles per hour, the dragonfly navigates the air with a grace and precision that puts even the most advanced aircraft to shame. Its wings, moving independently, allow for sudden changes in direction, rapid acceleration, and even the ability to hover in place. But it's not just speed that makes the dragonfly a formidable predator. Its eyes, a marvel of evolution, provide nearly 360-degree vision. With each eye containing up to 30,000 tiny lenses, the dragonfly can detect the slightest movement of its prey from almost any angle. Imagine this: a mosquito, completely unaware, buzzing through the air. Suddenly, the dragonfly locks onto its target. With a burst of speed, it closes the gap in a heartbeat. The mosquito stands no chance. Caught in the dragonfly's spiny legs, it is swiftly devoured in midair. This deadly efficiency is not just for show. The dragonfly must consume its own weight in insects every day to survive. It's a relentless hunter, patrolling its territory with an unwavering focus. Even in the larval stage, the dragonfly is a fearsome predator. Living in water, the nymph uses a unique extendable jaw to snatch up tadpoles and small fish. It's a glimpse of the deadly prowess that will only intensify as it matures into an adult. What makes the dragonfly truly remarkable is its combination of speed, agility, and vision. These attributes, honed over millions of years, have made it one of the most efficient predators in the natural world. So the next time you find yourself by a pond or a stream, take a moment to observe this extraordinary creature. Appreciate the dragonfly not just for its beauty, but for its role as one of nature's most effective killing machines. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating tales from the natural world. Until next time, keep exploring.